Hello everyone, welcome to Druv Online Academy. In this 30-day revision series, today we can start revising the unit Higher Education System. In this video, we can discuss the objectives of few education commission which were formed after independence in India. Radhakrishnan Commission. This commission is also known as University Education Commission and this was appointed in the year 1948. This was the first commission in education after independence. So the primary aim of Radhakrishnan Commission was to improve higher education. This commission had also given recommendations like every university and college should have a comprehensive library and there should be a full-time examination board so that there is a quality which is maintained in examination. This commission was the one to recommend that there should be uniformity at all India level in degree examination so that the quality is maintained at higher education level. Then Mudaliar Commission. This is also known as Secondary Education Commission. This was appointed in the year 1952. Dr. A. Lakshmanaswamy Mudaliar was appointed as the chairman for this commission. The main aim of this commission was to reform secondary education. Restructuring and improving the quality of secondary education and connecting higher education and primary education with secondary education was the aim for this Mudaliar Commission. This commission also recommended that public schools and residential schools should be established. Also, a proper examination system should be followed for evaluation of students. Activity-based teaching methods was also insisted in this commission. So, this commission recommended a curriculum which is based on skill development, vocational training and guidance. Kothari Commission. This was appointed in the year 1964. This commission is also known as Indian Education Commission and Dr. Daulat Singh Kothari was appointed as the chairman for this commission. The main aim of this commission was to examine all aspects of educational system at all levels, from primary to higher education levels and all aspects of education, including religious education and co-curricular activities. One of the main recommendations of Kothari Commission was standardization of educational system on 10+2+3 pattern across India. So this commission recommended that a common public exam should be in place. Kothari Commission emphasized on women education and also suggested that there should be committees which will supervise the women education across India. This commission focused on providing equal opportunities to all citizens irrespective of their differences in background. Next, National Education Policy. In 1986, National Policy on Education was introduced. This policy called for equal educational opportunities and child-centered approach in primary education. This policy later also expanded open university system. Later in 1992, this policy was modified and the modified version is known as Program of Action. In this revised version, importance was given to set up more technical institutes and development of vocational skills. National Policy on Education was replaced by New Education Policy in the year 2020. New Education Policy insisted on the use of mother tongue as medium of instruction. However, no language will be imposed on the students. It is up to them to choose a language as a medium of instruction. This policy provides a comprehensive framework for all levels of education, from elementary to higher education. This policy aims to transform India's education system by the year 2040. We can see the different stages which led to the evolution of new education policy. In the year 2015, a committee was formed under the guidance of former Cabinet Secretary. Based on the committee report in 2017, draft National Education Policy was prepared in the year 2019. This policy covers school education, higher education and professional education. This also includes teacher education, research and innovation. This policy also proposes to restructure higher education system into 3 tiers. This new education policy addresses the gaps in implementation and inconsistencies in several areas so that the quality of education can be improved. This new education policy also proposes a new structure called 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. This classifies the schooling years into 4 different stages. First 5 years form the foundational stage, and then followed by preparatory stage from grade 3 to 5, and then middle stage grade 6 to 8, followed by 4 years of secondary stage in grade 9 to 12. A change in education policy in India has been brought after a period of 34 years. So this new education policy is expected to bring some major transformation in Indian education sector. Now we will revise some previous year questions from this topic. First question, the report of which of the following education commission carries the subtitle Education for National Development? Option A, Radhakrishnan Commission. Option B, Mudaliar Commission. C, Calcutta University Education Commission. And D, Kothari Commission. In the report of Kothari Commission, it carries the subtitle Education for National Development. Second question, which of the following commission or committee in the post-independent India has paid attention to all levels of education? We discussed that Kothari Commission has paid attention to all levels of education and all aspects of education. So option C is the right one. Third question, which of the following groups of commission on education has been given chronologically in an order of year in which they were constituted? Okay, from the given options, we need to choose an option in which the commissions are arranged in a chronological order. So Radhakrishnan Commission was appointed in the year 1948, Mudaliar Commission was appointed in the year 1952, and Kothari Commission in the year 1964. So going by that order, option B is the right one. Fourth question, which of the following are goals of higher education in India? Option A, access. B, equity. C, quality and excellence. D, relevance. E, value-based education. And F, compulsory and free education. The question is regarding higher education. So options A, access. B, equity. C, quality and excellence. Relevance, value-based education. All these will be applicable. A to E are the goals of higher education in India. We'll look at the options here. Option C, A, B, C, D, E. Option C is the right one. That's for today. Hope you got a glimpse of different commissions and policies in Indian education system. Hope you find this helpful. Please do subscribe to Druv Online Academy and watch the other videos in this 30-day revision series. Thank you.